So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoga. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install and use Malwarebytes on Windows 11. So first of all, open the browser on your Windows PC. Now here search for Malwarebytes. Now click on this first link. Click on download now. Now this says unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on download unverified file. Now here click on this icon. And this is setup. Open it. In the UAC prompt, click on yes. Now click on install. Select personal. Now select next. Click on skip this step. And this will start installing Malwarebytes. And now Malwarebytes is installed. Click on open to launch it. Now here click on get started. Click on maybe later. Now click on continue with free trial. Now click on open Malwarebytes. Now click on skip. Now click on skip. And this will launch Malwarebytes. To start the scan, click on scan. And this will start the scan. So this I can install and use Malwarebytes on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.